friends, greetings from Iceland. We are on the top of the mountain here. In the clouds or in the fog or in the smoke, I don't know. But it's very nice here. Really special. So it's already 1 o'clock in the night, and I think there are only people who decided to stay here overnight. See, some are going to take a nap, really sleep. Here they don't want to go. Guy sleeping here. He has a drum under his head. As you see, no more lava going south, nothing changed. Just like when I was here last time, it's lava is going east. It's flooding this valley between those two mountains, kind of to the east, you know. And there's lots of hot lava going there. We have some wind here, not very pleasant to be right now here. Sometimes we have wind, and there are some periods when there is no wind. Kind of strange weather today. And various angles. Very soon I will be walking home because I think I have enough videos. I just come here like for fish. You know, some people go fishing. I go to the volcano to catch some nice fish here at the volcano by making videos. Those lights here are from the city of Vogar. That is Vogar over there, and behind Keilir you see Reykjavik over that direction. Hafnarfjörður actually, in that direction. And this is the volcano today. Not very big bubbles actually. this is the view from today. Volcano Hotel. Time to leave for me soon. Okay, talk to you later.